Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find General Management. Now let's scroll down and tap on Reset. And here we have to localize Reset Mobile Network Settings or Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. Basically, in this device, though this option is divided between two, so the mobile settings and the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. It's up to you which you'd like to reset. I will reset both. So let's simply start with this one. Just tap on it and tap on Reset Settings, tap on Reset, and there we've got the information, which is good. And then Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, simply tap on Reset Settings, and as you can see, it has been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.